everyone, happy day before Thanksgiving. I was cleaning up my HO scale American Flyer Hudson, and she's running pretty good, but quit smoking, and it looks like it just burned itself up, which is too bad. So I'll do a little Googling. I think I have some of this wick down at the museum and some wire, and I should be able to get it going. The problem I have is there's an insulator tray that goes in here, a little cardboard tray to keep the wire insulated, and well, it didn't fare well. I probably could have done better getting it out, but I couldn't get it out. It was pretty well cooked in there, as the wick was just black with soot. There's my little part as the insulator, and just so you know, you can get both the wicks and the insulators and all kind of other neat parts at Portline, and I'll put a picture of the link there. But they have all these they're like $2, but it's Thanksgiving. I wanted to work on a train. A teeny bit of trimming, and it's a good fit. To desolder all these and run the wire from the wick here, and you pull the wick down through here, and it bows over, and the wires connect, and it heats up, and all this assembles and smokes. The bellows are so cool. There's a very good video on YouTube on how to do this, so I won't show you the whole thing, and I'll put a link. But you run your wick through the two little holes in a nice U shape, and then you take the two wires from the heater coil element and you run them up through this top piece, and you twist them around these posts, and then you reconnect the wires from the different parts of the smoke unit.